Welcome to the channel. I'm Stacy, and my goal here is to help you to play better and sound better in your worship services. Today we're going to go over the preset for the song Behold by Phil Wickham. For this one I used the Matchless Channel 1, which is an amp I tend to lean on for edge of breakup or overdriven tones, but with some extra squeeze and a ratio bump on the compressor, it cleaned up real nice and fit perfect in the context of songs like this. Starting from the bridge, I kicked on the analog chorus just to add some texture to the part. The signal chain for the HX Stomp is the deluxe comp into that analog chorus, and we're going into an heir apparent, then a single amp block with that Matchstick Channel 1, and then a dual cab using the H30, and then the transistor tape delay, the dynamic hall reverb, and the simple EQ bumping that holy mid-range. The snapshots for this one are SS1 is for the lead tone, SS2 I used for the verses, and SS3 I kicked on just as we were going into a down part of the song just to carry over whatever note I was playing, just with some ambience and fill. The signal chain for the Helix is similar. It's the deluxe comp into the analog chorus into the heir apparent. Then we're going into the volume pedal. From there, splitting into 2 amps, each with their own cab. And then the transistor tape delay, the dynamic hall reverb, and the simple EQ to bump that holy mid-range. The snapshots for the Helix are SS1 for the lead tone, SS1 plus AC adding that analog chorus, and then SS2 for the verses, SS3 that I kicked on in the first half of the song when I needed some ambience to carry over into a down part, and then SS3 plus AC adding that analog chorus for when I did that in the second half of the song. All right, I'm going to be going through it with the Strat, with my Gretsch, and with that PRS. All right, let's hear it. I started building this preset with the amp drive set pretty low, but it was just too anemic. By adjusting the threshold and the ratio on the compressor, I was able to crank that drive and it gave me a more dynamic clean tone that filled the space better. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, subscribe and hit that like button for good measure. If you'd like the resources for this song, you can find them at a link in the description box below. There's a handful of downloads free for you in there as well. All right, I hope you have a great week and I'll see you in the next one.